Fried rice. As simple and generic it may sound, this month is all about making absolutely amazing dishes with one simple ingredient: rice. Hello and welcome to J&J's Food Basket. Today, I have got the most delectable fried rice recipes for you that you can make using ingredients from your own kitchen. Just follow along with my video. The different textures from the way the rice for the three styles of fried rice is cooked defines each. Note that the rice for Thai style is a bit sticky and that for Chinese style a little more so, making it convenient to use a chopstick. The rice for Singapore style is more free-flowing than the other two. Now that we know about the rice, let's get cooking. Sauté the carrots for a bit before adding in the rest of the veggies. This will be used in both the fried rice recipes that follow. Cook till all the water evaporates before adding the rice. Otherwise, the rice that is as it is a bit sticky can become quite gooey, which I don't want. Keep an eye on the chicken as it changes color till it looks like this once it's cooked through. I cooked the rice in chicken broth for the chicken fried rice. Thank you for watching this video. You will find the list of ingredients in the description box below. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to J&J's Food Basket.